Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you are new here, hi, welcome, my name is Selle. Please don't forget to introduce yourself in the comment section. I would love to get to know you. In today's video, I am going to tackle my pantry. I have been putting this off since we moved in this house and it is long overdue. I will be cleaning and organizing it. I hope you enjoy this video and let me know what is your chore for today. If you are cleaning with me, if not, then let me know what are you doing while watching. Let's get started. Everything that I'm using to organize my pantry are the same ones that I already have around my house. I did not buy anything new except for the chalkboard labels that I found in Dollar Tree last time I went there. I will make changes in the future and upgrade, but for now, I'm just gonna work with what I already have. And as always, I like to start with a clean slate. So I'm taking everything out of the pantry and I'm going to wipe every single shelf. This pantry is way different from my old house since it's basically a kitchen cabinet. I had a hard time figuring out how to organize this because it was awkward space, it was deep and kinda narrow. It's definitely smaller than in my old house. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Selle. I'm a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. I upload new video every single week about cleaning motivations, home organization, and mom life. If those are what you enjoy watching, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you won't miss any more of my future uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and joining me in today's video. I really do appreciate all your love and support. As you see here, I'm trying the containers and baskets that I already have to see how it's gonna look like in the space. If you have a deep pantry cabinet like mine, you wanna use long baskets or containers so you can take advantage of the length of your space. Some of the canisters still have food and they are still quite full, so I'm just wiping the outside of it with my water vinegar mix to get rid of all the fingerprints because we are constantly touching them. While cleaning and refilling and organizing, I am also checking the expiration date of the foods, and the ones with no expiration, I'm checking the quality of it, and I will get rid of it once I know it's bad or I don't think we're gonna eat it anymore, so that I can empty the containers and use it for something else. All the OXO containers, those ones with the button on top, came from either Home Goods or TJ Maxx, and the ones with the handle on top came from Walmart. Most of these canisters are pretty old. I have them for quite some time now. I did not buy them all at the same time. I would get one or two as I need them. As you all know, they tend to get pricey, but honestly guys, I think it's worth it because the food stays fresh and doesn't go stale. I did accidentally drop these canisters a couple times and they did not break. It gets scratches but barely noticeable, especially with food in them already. I do hand wash these when I need to clean them or changing the food because one time my husband put one of these canisters in the dishwasher and they bent. The lid wouldn't close anymore, so I end up throwing it away, so I don't put them in dishwasher at all. They are pretty easy to wash and maintain though. I did decided to put expiration date on the back of these canisters because some of the food that I have in here, I had them for quite some time, so I have to throw them away because I don't remember how long I had them anymore, and that's a pain in the butt, so I would rather know because if it's expired then I would just get rid of it. I do like to do FIFO when I'm refilling all these canisters. That means first in, first out. So I would put all the new ones on the bottom and then I'd put the old ones on top so that we can use those ones first since we opened those first. For this instant mashed potato, I actually did cut out the instruction on the back of the box and sticky or tapey on the back of the canister so that when I need instruction, I would just turn it around and it's right there. I don't have to Google or do anything.
Hold you close until the end of time, even if the sky was falling down, even if my heart breaks, I just wanna lay your body down, hold you close until the end of time, even if the sky was falling down, even if my heart breaks, my heart breaks.
The chalk label that I'm using are from Hobby Lobby and the hard ones are from the dollar store.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
I like fresh peanut butters. I get these ones from Whole Foods, but it comes with this ugly plastic packaging, so I am transferring this to this mason jar that I pick up from Home Goods. I think it's the perfect size. It's so cute and I am thinking of grabbing a couple more to use for my fridge organization. I put all the breakfast and the baking essentials on top, such as flour and breadcrumbs. I put the cereal there and the pancake too. And then on the bottom of that, I have all the crackers so that it's gonna be eye level. If my son needs snack, he could just grab his own snack. He doesn't need help. And then the one next to that is gonna be all the bread, and I put all the spreads on the Lazy Susan so that it's easier to see. All I need to do is turn it around. I don't need to grab all the way to the back, which is awesome. I grabbed that Lazy Susan from Home Goods. I like to use baskets when I'm organizing, which if you haven't seen my utility closet organization, my linen closet organization, I will link all of them in the description box below, but they make everything just look so pretty and clean. I did grab these ones from Walmart, and then this big metal basket, I picked this up from Target.
I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. No, I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. Yeah. I guess
We do have the backup beverage on top of the fridge. My husband always get those for me, but I decided I want to move them here on the very bottom of the pantry so it's easier for me to get them and refill the fridge as we need them.
baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you
These white wire baskets are supposed to be set up like here in picture. They used to go under my son's bathroom sink, but I didn't like the setup anymore, so I decided to keep the basket and use it for my pantry because it's the perfect length.
no more.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me.
We do like to snack in this house, and we do have a lot of them, but not everything fit in our pantry, so I decided I wanted to make a snack drawer, so here I'm just organizing and refilling them.
Growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, you and me. Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me.
I hope you enjoyed this video and find it motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up your butt and tackle your own mess at home. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!